The Nikon Z9 has been spotted in the wild. News from Nikon. Do you remember them?
Yeah, I do. They've got a big camera that's meant to be coming out at some point.
Yeah, and last week we slammed Nikon for not being at the Olympics, didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, guess what?
They're not at the Olympics.
They're at the Olympics.
They're at the Olympics.
The Z9 is at the Olympics, and it has been spotted and photographed in action.
So it does exist.
It does exist. The
Nikon fans all around the world.
Amazing news, amazing news. The Nikon Z9 has been spotted in the wild.
Well, that's good.
And they weren't going to miss the open goal.
Wow, you've got photos of it here.
Yes, on this this well-known camera publication, Pete, I don't know if you've heard of it before, called 120fps.co.uk.
I have heard of it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's
a very credible website.
It is, yes.
And can I talk about the image first off?
Yeah.
I don't want to detract too much from your story.
Right.
But if you've just got the latest Nikon camera,
Yes.
you're at the Olympics, there's a part of you that's hoping it's going to get photographed, surely.
Well, I would, yes.
Right.
It's done on purpose.
Why would you leave the lanyard on it? There's Nikon users through and through. Look at that.
He's got a Nikon camera strap.
Yeah, even for the release.
There's the more photos
I'm
here.
leaving that on there.
The camera strap.
Because when I'm not using
strap.
it, I can put it around my neck.
Camera strap. Yes. So it's obviously been handed out to a select few photojournalists for the Olympics.
Did you get one?
I didn't even get invited to the Olympics.
Oh.
It's a tricky one. It's been given to a select few photojournalists.
You got some
in
decent
Tokyo.
Pictures of it there.
Yeah, so we've now seen images of the back of it. Interestingly, we've already seen images of the front of it. Nikon published them themselves when they first announced the camera.
Yeah.
Now we've seen the back of it. It seems way too almost done on purpose, way too set up just to see just the back of it, the same angle every time, for it not to have been done on purpose. This is obviously a marketing move. Give people a little bit of information about this camera.
Well, good on them. It's about time.
Well, they had to have done it.
Maybe next they could give them the camera.
Yeah, still no news on when it's actually going to drop. But I am so frustratedly excited to see it. I hope it's great.
Well, do you know, inevitably it will be great.
Yeah.
And that's part of the frustration of why it takes so long for them to release one. But that lanyard.
It's a strong lanyard.
Why? Just why do they do it? Why do they do it? And it's not like I like taking risks, but it's not very attractive, and it puts you in a certain niche.
So yes, Olympics is happening. We're seeing cameras, and excitedly, we have seen the Nikon Z9 at last.
There is no other news about the Olympics, is there?
Nah,
that's it.
Yeah, Z9,
That's it.
The Z9's there.
What do you know about the Olympics?
Nikon Z9?
Nikon Z9's there.
It's not the answer people normally expect when they talk about the Olympics.
Yeah.